Okay, I think that she's doing ishara for me to start. So,
As usual.
as usual, yes. So my character is a guy who's very passionate about theatre, very hardworking, and he thinks that one should do what they are best at in life and what they really love to do, and not do what parents or society thinks they should do. I'm quite similar to Vivan in a lot of ways.
Yes, you are.
Even
You are Vivan,
except for he's a better person than me, I guess.
and you're way more goofier.
And I'm working towards being like him more because he's actually left quite an impact on my life. In college, I used to study theatre. I had a kind of a dramatic society, and I used to be very passionate about plays and acting and all sorts of things. I wasn't so much into direction, which Vivan is, but he's very similar. I can't say much else. It was as if Vidhi saw my life, wrote about me, and wrote a script about me and my life. So.
Totally.
Everything's out in the open. Look, a transparent society is much better than a hypocritical one.
But what about these divorces, live-in relationships, gay couples?
To each his own.
What about doing it शादी के पहले?
Doing what? शादी के पहले?
Well, Rajendra,
She's not any less, huh? She's very close to her character as well.
I think that's the reason we were cast in the film.
That's true, yeah.
Somewhere because we are so close to the characters that we are portraying. Rajnandini is a very simple, sweet girl who's 17 years old, comes from Ajmer to Bombay to study. She basically belongs to a very traditional family where she's not encouraged to dream, and she thinks it's dreams are something that do not become realities, and she's accustomed to the fact that that her family will get her married off by once she finishes her 12th standard, and I think somewhere she's compromised about that.
मैं समझता हूँ what girls like you have to go through. At least take a stance, put up a fight.
किसके लिए?
अपने लिए.
All in all, she's a very pure, innocent soul, and Sandeepa is more similar to RJ
So are you
as
saying
opposed
you're a
to.
pure, innocent soul?
I think that's one thing that I need to learn.
Okay, no.
I learned from RJ, but yeah, I'm a nice person.
She is, yes.
I'm similar to RJ as opposed to Rajnandini.
All the characters are so beautifully written. All of them are very mature for their age.
And you somehow fall in love with the character
Yeah,
because
for
they
sure.
are such nice people.
Yeah.
And they're very sweet and.
And it's not like we don't have negatives. I mean,
Of course,
I
yeah.
fight with my father. I have a temper problem, which in real life I don't have as much as Vivan does. So I think
Slowly
that's
you out.
What is that supposed to be? No, ignore that. No, I don't think he has a temper
Yeah.
issue. He fights with his father. I'm very close to my father.
The characters are real.
characters are
And
real.
People
They have-
in reality have their positives
have
and they
their
have their
positives.
negatives, and so is Viman that way, and so is
So is RJ.
RJ.
इसी उम्र में इसी उम्र में इसी उम्र में इसी उम्र में इसी उम्र में